Defenders were never built to sit still. They were built to explore, to conquer, and to live. But for whatever reason, we started seeing them just as weekend toys. Honestly, why limit yourself? These cars have been around for a while, and people have been using them for all kinds of reasons. For muddy farms, rocky trails, and city streets. Whatever you throw at them, these cars can take it. For over 70 years, Defenders were seen as highly reliable vehicles across the entire world. And not because they were fancy, because they were tough. Now, when it comes to these engines, they're not attached to any fragile electric component like it is in today's cars. This is a completely mechanical car. It's a completely mechanical engine, let's say. It's a 300 TDI diesel engine, bulletproof. Now, this isn't just a fun vehicle. It's not just an interesting vehicle. It's a head turner for sure, but it's fun to drive. That's the best part. However, it isn't just a weekend toy regardless. This is something you can drive and rely on every single day. And the best part is that these classic vehicles are getting rarer and more valuable each passing day. So it's an amazing investment. If you're ready for something real, something you can drive on, depend on, without paying crazy luxury prices, let's talk. This is Phil from Phoenix Restorations, and we don't just restore cars, we make them better and stronger than ever.